Scheduled maintenance critical percent. In a perfect world, maintenance is scheduled, a deadline is set, and tasks are done on time. But we don't live in a perfect world. Maintenance is overdue sometimes. When this happens, it can be hard to sort out which tasks should take priority and which can wait. Scheduled maintenance critical percent is a tool to organize your recurring scheduled maintenance tasks. When several of these PMS are overdue, calculating SMCP helps you determine which one should be done first. It does this by calculating how late your PMS are in relation to how often they should be occurring. The higher the percentage, the higher that PM should be prioritized.